Asterisk everyone in the gym says eat more protein. But do you actually know how much protein your body needs to build muscle? Asterisk protein is one of the most important nutrients for muscle growth. But many people either eat too little protein or way too much without understanding the real requirement. When you exercise, especially during strength training, your muscle fibers develop tiny tears. Your body uses protein to repair these fibers and make them stronger and bigger. This process is called muscle growth or muscle repair. Without enough protein, your muscles cannot recover properly after workouts. That means your progress in the gym becomes slower. Now the big question is, how much protein do you actually need every day? According to research, most people need around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily for muscle growth. For example, if your body weight is 70 kilograms, you need around 112 to 154 grams of protein each day. This amount helps your body repair muscles and support growth effectively. Many beginners believe they must drink protein shakes all day to build muscle. But the truth is, natural foods can easily help you reach your daily protein goal. Foods like chicken breast, eggs, fish, yogurt, lentils, and beans are excellent protein sources. These foods not only provide protein, but also important vitamins and minerals. Another common myth is that you must drink protein immediately after your workout. While post-workout protein can help, the most important factor is your total protein intake for the whole day. Spreading your protein across different meals is actually a smart strategy. Also remember that eating too much protein will not automatically build more muscle. Your body can only use a certain amount of protein for muscle repair. The rest may simply be used as energy or stored by the body. That's why a balanced diet is very important. Your body also needs carbohydrates for energy and healthy fats for overall health. When you combine proper nutrition with consistent workouts, muscle growth becomes much easier. So the real secret is simple. Train consistently, eat balanced meals, and consume the right amount of protein daily. Follow these basics, and your muscles will grow stronger over time.